such a long time, but I ordered 2 new wigs and I wanted to review them for you before I open them. I have not opened these wigs at all. They are both synthetic. I bought them from 2 different places and I'll link more about them below as I talk about them. One of them is curly and one of them is straight. One of them is, I believe, a Balayage caramel, and then the other is a 613. So 2 completely different wigs, but I'm going to be reviewing them together in this video. This is what it looks like straight out the box. It is shorter than the other one. I believe the other one was like 30 inches and this one I think is like 24, 26. It is a full front and it does have some baby hairs and it is pre-plucked, as you guys can see. This wig is really cute. I really like this. I love 613 wigs on me. I just don't get them a lot, but I really like this one. It is super soft. It is very soft. It is thin. I will show. Okay, this back is a lot thinner than I thought. Look at those tracks. Oh my gosh. So that's the back of the unit. It is a pretty thin unit, but with a synthetic wig, I'm not mad at it. It's cute. It was an affordable price. It fits snug on my head, so I don't even feel like I really need to glue it down if I were to wear this out, because it fits so tight on my head. Like there's like no point in even gluing it down for me. And it's already starting to knot up underneath here. Jeez. It's already starting to knot up in the back. But other than that, I mean, this is a really nice unit. Synthetic units, they do knot up easily, so that's a given. I'm expecting that. This isn't like a $400 wig. You can't really complain too much when you're buying a synthetic unit that's like $45, $50, $60. Other one I'm super excited about because I saw this one on TikTok and I was like, I have to get it. There's no way that this is a synthetic lace. The way the girl was wearing it, I was like, wow. So this one, I believe this one is like 26 inches, 30 inches. I don't know. I'm not good at guessing. And it doesn't say on any of the boxes and I can't remember exactly how long they are, but it comes with baby hairs. It is pre-plucked. The knots are not bleached. It is a T-part, but it is wavy. So they are 2 completely different units. I'm going to show you both them side by side. So this one is longer. 2 very different units, but I couldn't decide on which one I wanted, so I ended up getting both. Okay, this one is really cute. And the cap size is like the same exact as the other one. I just have to get used to it at this point. I just have a large head. Okay, this one is so cute. Wow, I really like this one. I know these are from 2 completely different brands, and I'm not trying to like compare the brands. I'm just showing you both of the units that I got, and I'm just kind of deciding which one I like the most, like I guess which one I would want to buy again. So yeah, I'm not trying to like bash one brand over another. I'm just comparing both of the wigs because I bought both of them, so I want to see which one I like. So this one is a lot smoother. It's a lot softer, like silkier feeling. It's of course knotting at the ends. But it is a lot longer too. This is a longer unit, and I do believe that both of these were like around the same price. They both were like $50, I believe. I did buy them off of 2 different sites. I believe this one I bought from Elevate Styles, and then this one I bought from Sam's Beauty. This one, it has a really nice lace. The lace is a lot softer than this one. The hair in general is a lot softer than this one, and it still doesn't fit all the way down here, but again, I have a big head, so if you do have a big head like me, just be aware of that. You probably can't wear it like all back like this unless you want your edges showing, but I never really wear my units like that anyway, so I don't really mind. I'll try and show you the length on this one because it is a lot longer. So I am 5'4", and it comes like past my waist. It comes down really far. So So here is, I'm going to try and show you guys the back of this unit. And so it comes down super far. It is such a cute unit. It is really cute. I really love it. I would definitely wear this every freaking day. It is definitely my favorite out of the two. Which one would I buy again? I would definitely buy this one again because it's more of an everyday unit. It has, I mean, at least the color that I got. The color that I got is an everyday, and I like weightier wigs more anyways than straight units. They both are on the thin side. They're not super thick, but they both are really good units. This one is probably my favorite just because of the waves. It's very soft compared to the other one. I don't mind the T part. I do wish it had like a full front like the other one. It shipped a lot faster than the other one. I bought this one. I bought this one first from Sam's Beauty, and then I bought this one from Elevate Styles, and they both shipped and came in the same exact day, which I was going to think the Sam's Beauty one came in because I ordered that one like a few days or so before. I'm not going to be completely laying these units down because I kind of wanted this video to be a little short, not too long. I just wanted to show you guys the two wigs that I got and the differences between them and which one I really like over the other. So if you guys like the video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, let me know what other units you may want me to review or show you guys. Human hair or synthetic hair. I usually do a lot of human hair videos, but lately I've been getting a lot of synthetic wigs. Yeah, that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. I had to squeeze this little part in here. This is the next day, and I put no foundation. I literally just glued the wig down, and I am so impressed. I absolutely love this unit.